Hey guys, so I was looking at a moss sample here, checking out some, nematodes and tardigrades and stuff, and I came across this, and I had no clue what it was. So obviously I had to do some digging, and it turns out this is a springtail. And I've actually heard of these before, and you may have too if you've ever watched or read anything about terrariums. Some people will buy these and introduce these on purpose into their ecosystems because they'll eat mold and they do well in moist conditions. They'll eat decomposing organic matter. And I didn't think they were this small. So we're using reflected light right now because otherwise they just look like that. You don't get that kind of detail. So look at the cute little eyes. I couldn't believe it. I thought, wow, I don't know. I just thought it was really cool. I wanted to share that with you guys. Oh, getting a bad reflection there. See. What are we doing? What's it doing right now? It's like head down in the water. Is it alright? Or are we witnessing something bad here? Is it stuck? Did the surface tension get it? Maybe it's just taking a drink. It's probably fine. Wait, is that something attached to its face right now?